on, boys. I am on. He smacked it. This fish is on bed, guys. It's a bed fish. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel to another video. Today I'm going to be heading to the same lake that I went to previously on my last couple of videos. Got some different rigs tied up. I'll go ahead and show you those real quick. On the Mock Crush reel, the TP1 black speed stick rod, I got my chatterbait. Kills it everywhere, so I always got to keep this on. I'm just going to be throwing, last time I was thinking about throwing a drop shot, I just have a wacky rig tied on, my spinning combo, and then on my Mach 2 combo, I have this Strike King Rage Crawl in Summer Crawl with a 1/4 ounce weight. So enough talking, I got everything loaded except the rods. I'm going to go ahead and catch you guys once I get on the water, and let's go smoke some bass, guys. So I'm gonna start off with this Rage Crawl. Last time we were here, the fluke was working real well. We literally caught like third cast. So I go from having no wind at all to pushing me into where it was pushing me before. Last time we were here, so that's cool. Boys, I am on. He smacked it. A solid like 2-pounder to start the day, guys. I mean, solid. I don't even know, a solid 2 number at least. Not bad. 2.5 on bed. You guys can probably see here. Got a bloodied up tail here. That fish is on her bed, so let's get her back. I tried to get her closer to her bed. This thing just wanted to just keep moving over here. Ooh. Felt like a smack. Let's see. It's about where I tossed when I got this bite right here. There's got to be another bed up here. Oop. Got him. I got him. He's a small guy. Small guy, probably a pound. Nothing crazy. Came off, mother. Bruh. Second you hook set and you miss it. That's my second one I've missed. Second decent size that I've missed. So as of now, in this part of the day, guys, I've caught 3 and lost 2. Caught 2 on the, but may I actually caught 3 and lost 5. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. I think I've caught 2 or 3 on this Strike King Rage Craw. Caught one on a chatterbait, and I've missed 2 on the craw as well. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if there's anything I can do here. Wacky rig. Oh, he's been caught multiple times. Number 4, maybe 5 on the day. Another solid, probably, I don't know, 1 pounder. This dude's been, look at the holes everywhere. He's been caught multiple times. Yeah, bud. All of them are up shallow, man. I mean, honestly, I think I'd get bent on the black and blue, but I will take it. And now it's screwed. Oh, man. I don't even need to know if I have another. Alright, guys, honestly haven't had any luck, so probably just gonna call it, honestly. I got some things going on with the family here in about an hour and a half, so I gotta get home, change and leave. We're about 45 minutes away from where we gotta go, so I need to kind of hustle. But appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, just go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Trying to get some good viewers and put out some good content, so it kind of helps when you guys hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.